When watching a sports game, you might have heard the saying, the best offense is a good defense. In this GalcoTV Tech Tip, we will tell you the best defense MROs, OEMs, and other manufacturers in the industrial automation industry can have against downtime and loss of production, also known as preventative maintenance. As the name suggests, preventative maintenance is a proactive approach aimed at offsetting equipment and machinery breakdowns and ensuring their optimal performance. This entails creating checklists for things like frequently scheduled inspections, servicing products in need of maintenance, and replacing broken, obsolete, or faulty components. The most common components in need of preventative maintenance are variable frequency drives, programmable logic controllers, sensors, actuators, and control systems, because issues within these components can lead to failures across all your processes, leading to a much longer and much more costly downtime. By adhering to a well-structured preventative maintenance program, industries can maximize equipment lifespan, minimize unexpected disruptions, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Stay tuned to Galco TV as we'll be posting more videos like how to create a preventative maintenance repair checklist, as well as the benefits of preventative maintenance, but most importantly, we'll share with you how Galco can help with your preventative maintenance needs, allowing you to take control and schedule your downtime to maximize your uptime. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted.